Good evening, everyone. My name is Priya Rao. Welcome to my podcast. Welcome to my show, The Digital Revolution, and thank you for joining in. As stated in my previous podcasts, I am not here to teach anybody. I am here to document everything I'm learning as I'm moving forward in my digital journey. So, we are nearing the end of yet another month in 2020. And if you are like most other people around the world, then you are already waiting for your salary. But what if I told you that instead of waiting for the money, what if money was waiting for you? When you are in a salary, when you are in a 9 to 5, it is not about the money that comes into your hand. It is about the time that you have already lost giving away to these top companies, to big companies, where there is no end to working and your commitments are so high that you are ready to attend calls at 9 in the night, you are ready to attend to clients at 7 in the morning. So you realize that when the salary hits your account, it's already short of so many things. You have lost a whole month in all of this. We have been conditioned over a period of so many years that we continue to go from that 9 to 5 grind, and we expect at the end of the month the salary to come in, and we have bartered a beautiful life to corporate companies where there is no end. I want to ask some of the 9 to 5ers here on the call today, what would you do if you had a little more time in the morning to take care of your family, to take care of your children, feed them good food before you go to work, or better still, work from home. I literally had to travel a long way from home to be working from home. Every day I'm grateful for this whole opportunity to be able to work from home. Working women who have children or working mothers, they exactly know what I'm talking about. Today's topic is going to be about how you can balance a 9 to 5 life, a 9 to 5 job, or a 9 to 5 student life, and still be able to start a side hustle, a digital business which can start fetching you money online. I always believed paycheck to paycheck was such a limiting belief, and so many years of being in this grind of 9 to 5 across so many places that I have worked in. And you might move countries, but your glass ceiling is already there, and this ceiling is for men as well as women. I got introduced into this digital world just 2 months ago, and I haven't seen a more happier place of work. So many people continue to thrive in the digital space. They continue to grow, they continue to expand, they continue to help each other expand. There is a whole new dimension getting created in this digital space. I started in the digital journey from December of last year. This was my personal decision to clear up everything within my calendar and start learning, because I really felt I lacked these skills heavily. Now, ever since I started into this journey, my life has started to look much more rosier, much more beautiful. It gives me a lot more time. Unlike some of you, I'm not in a 9 to 5 job. However, I do have a full time business that I have started few months back. I continue to work on that. But this digital learning is empowering me with so much more skill that I'm able to actually transfer these skills into my personal business space as well. So, this is something I want to encourage you guys, that whichever part of your life you are in, these are definitely skills of the hour, skills to be learned, because a lot is moving online. See, today we are buying groceries, buying everything through Amazon or something online, and this will be the future of work. If you are not selling something online, you could figure out other ways of becoming part of an online ecosystem where money is not a constraint, where happiness is not a constraint, where time is not a constraint. So, however proud you are about your 9 to 5 job, and I'm really happy if you are in a happy place at work. But yes, there will be times that there will be a time that you will realize that 40 years down the line, after having given your whole life dedicatedly to 9 to 5s or maybe 9 to 9s in your workplaces, you will realize that you the most important resource that you have really lost in all of these years is the time that you could have spent with your children, the time that you could have spent traveling, the time that you could have spent living your life and working on your health, working on your personality, for example. So I must say this, that when you have finished 40 years of your working life career, Even if you retire with huge corpus of investments that you saved up month after month after month through an EMI or through a mutual fund investment, and you thought, okay, I'm walking away with large sums of money, but you are technically bereft of any kind of time in your life. You are now old, you are probably 60 years of age. Countries like Germany have much higher age of retirement. So at the age of 65 or at the age of 60, you can't go out for a run if you haven't been able to cope up with your health, right? For so many years, you will not be able to go pick up a badminton and go play with your children or your grandchildren if you have them by then. So the point is that all these 9 to 5 jobs might seem lucrative. It's very good if you have it, but figure out a way to set up a side business, on the go. While you are building that up, you will be amazed to see the amount of growth that you can expect. Now, while I have just started on this journey and I'm documenting my journey as I go through the day and these weeks, and I'm learning, this is my endeavor to reach out to more and more people in the world, for you guys to know that there is a lot happening on the internet space. So people who have completed 6 months in the journey, and who, of course, you need to spend time learning the whole game, you will be surprised that they are making really large sums of money that we do not make in our annual salaries. Whatever you are making as a salary, however good your salary might be, you might be a vice president, you might be a CEO, you might be an MD of your company in a top big company. But remember, guys, as long as you are using your own 24 hours to work, there will always be a limitation of your earning potential. Now, in a digital space, you could be building up digital products, you could be building up digital books. This is also a new thing. So, you could actually write books with the help of certain tools, print it, publish it, and it starts to give you royalty. Now, these books could be actually converted into an Audible format, and you could start earning through Audible in an Audible format and still make royalty. The real form of passive income is not as we have been conditioned to believe. The real form of passive income is that money happens in your life while you sleep, while you are not looking at it, while you were busy having a good vacation, and there was money still coming into your kitty, coming into your banks. Now, this is what is my intention through my podcast. I want to reach out to all of you to help you understand that there are multiple million number of ways in which you can make money online. You could be selling digital products that you have personally created. You could be selling products which have been created by somebody else and you are just introducing it to customers who are willing to buy by talking about it. You could actually end up having a mentorship program where a one-on-one mentorship could really fetch you large sums of money, and this all, guys, is happening on a digital space. There is no physicality of any of it. So imagine having a life where your mornings are decided by you. You decide what you want to do in the morning. You take out 2 to 3 hours a day, every day, in becoming a better version of yourself. How do you really do that? You get up in the morning, you plan your day, you spend few hours on your social media portals, and you create on the go. You connect with people who are talking to you, who are buying your product, who understand you, they are resonating the same frequency. Guys, this is not commitment. Commitment is so much more to other people who are around our lives and who matter, who are people who we have not spent time with, our children. This is a question for mothers, who are listening to me today. Imagine if you had a whole morning to yourself to attend to your child's mood swings or tantrums early in the morning, where there was no rush of going to work, where they could say bye to you and you could open the door for them when they come back to work, don't you think it would be so much more rewarding? You could cook their favorite food. You could be having a perfect balance, and this is what we are going to talk about today: how to strike, in spite of a 9 to 5, a perfect balance in your life by setting up something online on a digital space, by being committed to this, by giving an hour a day at least to just build this all up and see how this goes for you. You never know, this just might start to work. And if it works, however strong a position you are in your companies, however strong, the life that you're leading, and I hope that you are happy doing whatever you guys are doing, but please buy your time back. Do not give away your time to these companies, because nothing is going to be left at the end of a 40-year-old corporate stint. You would really be 40 years older in your life. You would not be younger, guys. You will not be fitter to go and play a game of badminton, for example. So you might retire with a nice heavy pension, but that is all you will have. You would have lost a lot of time in all of this, right? So December of last year, and as I have mentioned this in my previous episodes, December of last year I came across this brilliant product which allows you to go and learn everything within the digital marketing space. And some of the friends who know me, I have been speaking about it, and this is something which jolted me out of my regular life, because I realized that I have been missing so much. I have spent a lot of time trying to impress companies, a lot of time trying to make wrong right. It will never happen, guys. So the only person who can change in all of this is going to be you. And I used to also think, that I don't have time. But ever since I started taking out time for this, time for a little digital strategy, a digital business, I am learning so much more. I have learned so much more in the last 2 months than I have in the last 2 years of my career. Guys, please find time to get better at whoever you are. Find time to start learning a skill which is going to be a great advantage in the coming times. And while you might say that you don't have time at all, you might have a full time job. Great, you have a full time job, and so does a homemaker who takes care of the whole house and takes care of children at home. So everybody here is busy, and it's a coincidence that we all seem to have 24 hours of our day each day. You might say, I barely get time for myself, and how can I run a business? And that's exactly why you need to figure out, because the day your company decides that you are not fit to be on their payrolls anymore because of they not doing well or you not being able to do well, either ways it would be a sad goodbye. And for you then realizing that you have already lost so much in all of these days, where you could have done so much more. It is amazing. Facebook that started in 2004, Instagram that started in 2010, and how all these platforms and so many more platforms which have now mushroomed across the online space. Do you realize that we really got it all wrong? We were so excited when Facebook came in our lives, where we were trying to connect back with our old friends and families, and whom we had lost touch with. That was exactly what Mark Zuckerberg or anybody else made money on. So it was the emotional part of helping us connect with so many people around the world. And we got so busy showcasing what we were doing, where we were traveling, what we are talking about. Imagine if you had started on a digital journey in 2004, or you had started on a digital marketing space in 2010, you would be billionaires by now. You would be doing better than what Facebook is doing today. So the whole internet space, the whole digital marketing, for I'm very grateful that this has opened up to me like a huge box, Pandora's box, and I'm able to see the whole maze. I'm able to see the whole structure in which it is continuing to operate, and how businesses flourish. Traditional businesses who understand how to scale their businesses digitally, whether through ad revenues or generating through organic traffic, they continue to rule the roost, and they are moving ahead, surging ahead. As I continue to build on this digital marketing space, and as this has been introduced to me last 2 months time, I continue to document everything I'm learning, and this is something I'm learning from my mentor, that document, not create. And I'm continuing to document everything I'm learning on a daily basis. I got introduced into this beautiful digital business since December 27th, where I decided to invest $500 to buy a product, buy a digital product, which gave me a complete handheld course structure, which is guiding me step by step into becoming a stronger version of whoever I am on a digital space, which is going to be the future of work. So, for all students out there, if you want to be future ready to hit the job market, to be accepted in your first round of interview, please, guys, start focusing on building up your follower base. Because imagine if you had 100,000 followers following you on LinkedIn, do you think your boss would fire you? Or do you think you would need an introduction at the time of walking into that interview? You have 100,000 people following you. That means there are a long list of people who listen to what you're saying, and you resonate a frequency which they want to attach themselves to. So all I can say is a digital marketing space is a brand new place of work getting created, where we are not able to see it. The digital marketing industry is poised to grow at an exponential pace and expected to come to $300 billion mark by 2027. as I continue to build my digital business along with my ongoing business. So I want to tell you that there is a possibility of balancing your life between a 9 to 5 role. Like I am currently doing my own business. It takes a lot of my time, but I have still dedicated 3 to 4 hours of learning every day, learning how to create, learning how to understand this whole market, learning how sales works, learning what communication needs to be done, learning the whole digital space so that I don't come across as somebody who doesn't understand this market, because this is going to be the talk of many business discussions that we will have soon, and it will be imperative that we understand what it is that we need to know to be accepted into those big corporate circles which will be talking about it. Like we say, your network is your net worth. Online digital space and online space is technically like a speed dating. You would be connecting with people at a much faster pace. People who are in the digital space for more than a year are actually growing leaps and bounds in their whole digital entrepreneurship. As I continue to build on my skills through this brilliant program, I realize that there is so much that has to be learned. I have ventured into this journey of the unknown. I have also decided to remove myself from the picture. It is not about me anymore. It is about the people who matter in our lives. For me personally, having brought so many students into Germany for higher education, as I continue to bring more and more students across the private universities and public universities, I am amazed, I am appalled at what is happening to the whole job market. Students are coming into these countries and looking for small part time jobs. They continue to struggle to survive in these countries, and because they have not acquired the necessary skill to be job ready or market ready. Now, this is something which continues to bother me, because I do believe that when you are looking at an international market to move to for higher education or for work, you are hoping that you will be able to earn more money as you move into that space. Now, imagine after going into large student debts, which is happening in the US. They say there are two big important data sets that one talk about in the US. For the bankers, the number one customer is actually the student, and the highest debt in all of the US is actually managed by the students. Now, this is really unfair, right? You are spending millions, you're spending so much money moving out for to acquire skills that get you job ready. However, there is nothing which is actually adding up. Now, the whole education space is fast disrupting with the introduction of AI into our lives, and there is so much moving. Why not we tag along and we build this up as we move forward and see how it is going to help us build our own personal spaces as well. Now, all of us who have been now in our corporate careers for more than 10, 15 years, we are already an old generation, right? So, whatever we studied, whatever we have been conditioned to believe by our parents, by our societies, guys, it doesn't exist anymore. The whole business scenario is changing. You are looking at already people going onto Amazon to buy groceries. When was this a possibility? This was probably a far-fetched idea 10 years down the line, but today let's embrace it. This is the truth, and this is the truth happening today. So let me start by saying how you can incorporate few hours of your day into your 9 to 5 routine without touching your 9 to 5 routine and figuring out what needs to be done. To begin with, I would say if you are a full time working person, if you have a full time job or you are in a full time study program, now there is nothing like building something on the side, guys. You do not have to wait for the end of the month to start making money. We are already in 2025. Feb 2025, and Feb is about to get over, and I'm sure most of the jobbies who are now listening to me on the call and you understand what I'm talking about, that is our pain point. Towards the end of the month, we have actually run dry in our all our finances, all our resources, and that happens with best of salaries. Now, if you are earning a salary, even if you are investing money into your mutual funds and so many other aspects to have a life later 40 years down the line when you will retire, guys, you might not even have the energy to spend that money when you are able to retire with lofty sums, right? So you are not able to live your life today at the prime of your youth, where you could have spent time with family, attending to children's mood swings early in the morning, where you could have given a nice lazy breakfast to everybody at home, but you have to rush to work because you are a working mom or you are somebody who has to balance out time between it all and still get money so that there can be bread on the table. But what if I could tell you that just with 1 to 2 hours every day, if you commit to giving 1 to 2 hours of your life to your personal learning, you could get started with an online income stream. An income stream which is digital, guys. This works when you are sleeping, this works when you are working out in the gym, this works when you are doing your deep core meditation. This will continue to work for you even when you stop working. So, what passive income we believe in through our hard working years of 40 years of working? For us, our belief system says that it is the rent that we are going to get after 40 years, or maybe some kind of investment that we made, which is going to start giving you money when you are older. But all your life, if you have just saved and not lived your life, probably it is not worth it.